How to purchase Bangladesh Railway ticket from website. Open any browser. Go to eticket.railway.gov.bd. Select register. Give your full name. Give your email ID. Give your mobile number. Give confirm mobile. Enter your password. Confirm password. Select identification type, birth certificate or NID. Give your NID number. Give your postcode. Give your address. Then select sign up. After selecting sign up option, you will receive an OTP to your mobile number. Give the 6-digit code. You have successfully registered to Bangladesh Railway. Select from. Select to. Select date of journey. Choose class. Now you are ready to purchase a ticket. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you.